Machine learning system design is crucial for building effective AI solutions. It involves understanding the entire life cycle of a machine learning model, from data pre-processing to deployment and monitoring. A well-designed system can handle large datasets, make accurate predictions, and adapt to changing requirements. This essay will guide you through the essential concepts and steps involved in designing robust machine learning systems. This field is rapidly evolving. Staying updated with the latest tools and techniques is vital for success. By grasping the fundamentals, you can create impactful solutions across various domains. The machine learning system design process consists of several crucial stages. It begins with data pre-processing and feature engineering. This involves cleaning, transforming, and preparing raw data for model training. Next is model selection, where you choose the algorithm best suited for the specific task, like classification or regression. Training, evaluation, and validation follow. These steps involve feeding the model with data, evaluating its performance, and fine-tuning its parameters. Finally, the model is deployed into a production environment to make predictions on new data. Several key concepts contribute to building robust machine learning systems. Scalability is paramount. Your system should handle growing data volumes and user demands. Performance optimization is another crucial aspect. This involves techniques to enhance the efficiency and speed of your models. Equally important is model validation. This ensures your model generalizes well to unseen data and avoids overfitting. Understanding these concepts is key to designing reliable, high-performing machine learning systems. Preparing for machine learning system design interviews requires a multifaceted approach. You should have a strong grasp of fundamental algorithms and their trade-offs. Familiarize yourself with common system design concepts like load balancing, caching, and data partitioning. Practice designing systems for real-world scenarios. Mock interviews are invaluable. They simulate the interview environment and help you refine your communication and problem-solving skills. Remember, a successful interview hinges on demonstrating both your technical knowledge and your ability to apply it effectively.